Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. After completion the FA1 exam, today I am going to teach you Unit 4, poem number 2, Gypsy. Okay, now you have to open your textbook, page number 31, Unit 4, poem number 2, Gypsy. So, before going to start the poem, I want to inform you, children, before writing the English note, follow the instruction what I send you and how I send the note. Try to maintain as it is. Don't use whitener where you did the mistake. You have to cut one single line by pen. That's it. And when you submit your classwork for correction, along that you have to bring your homework and copywriting book too. Handwriting should be neat because your internal marks for FA1, FA2, SA1, all internal marks will carry for your handwriting and neatness. So be careful about that one. I hope you will maintain this all. So let's get started the poem. Before going to read and explain the poem Gypsy, you have to know about what is Gypsy. The Romani, colloquially known as Roma, are an Indo-Aryan ethnic group, traditionally nomadic, itinerant, living mostly in Europe, and diaspora populations in the Americas. But in India, the Romani as a people originate from the northern Indian subcontinent, from the Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab regions of modern day India. So now let's get started the poem Gypsy. I asked a gypsy pearl to imitate an old image and speak old wisdom. She drew in her chin, made her neck and head the top piece of a Nile obelisk, and said, snatch off the gag from thy mouth, child, and be free to keep silence, tell no man anything, for no man listens, yet hold your lips ready to speak. Written by Carl Sandburg. Okay, children, I repeat once the poem. Listen carefully. You have to read aloud and practice for write also. Let's get started once again. Gypsy, written by Carl Sandburg. I asked a gypsy pearl to imitate an old image and speak old wisdom. She drew in her chin, made her neck and head the top piece of a Nile obelisk, and said, snatch off the gag from thy mouth, child, and be free to keep silence till no man anything, for no man listens, yet hold your lips ready to speak. So here I asked a gypsy pearl means I means the poem Carl Sandburg is telling about that one gypsy pearl. Gypsy, now you got it, the meaning what is the gypsy. They are member of a race of people who traditionally travel around and live in caravans. Okay, the word Romani is also used to refer to gypsies. And pearl means friend. So that poet made a gypsy pearl. Gypsy one that person pearl means friend. Okay. To imitate an old image. Imitate means to copy or do action something. Old image means old art. That ancient art have to imitate means have to copy. And speak old wisdom about ability to judge right or wrong, to take intelligence decision about old ancient, to tell something. After that, she drew her chin, made her neck and head the top piece of a Nile obelisk, and said, she drew her chin. She drew means the past of draw, drew her chin, made her neck and head also. The top piece of a Nile obelisk, a stone pillar that is rectangular and gets narrow as it increases in height, and said, snatch off the gag from thy mouth, child, and be free to keep silence. Snatch off means by force steal or something. The gag means a piece of cloth to tie around the person's mouth and put inside in order to stop them from speaking. Means if you tie the mouth, you should not you couldn't speak. No, that matter only have to do. And be free to keep silence. Tell no man anything, for no man listens. Yet hold your lips ready to speak. Okay, so children, after that one, see and down that poem down and given the new words means meaning. When you read the poem, you have to learn the meaning also. For example, I think you can understand if one I had given some match the following new words meaning. So you have to learn. Next, page number 32. One exercise there. I send the photo. You have to write in your textbook. And this poem doesn't have any question and answer. They are mentioned A to answer the following questions, but it is we can't write that question answer. It is imagine question answer. So I skip that question answer. I will go for next listen question answer. Only choose the correct answer. In this poem, you have to read the poem properly. Meaning, choose the correct answer. These three means will come for ready for this poem. Okay, these three mean. First is poem reading along with poet name. Next, meaning for any others main will come for exam. Not like that what I given for if you want. And third one, choose the correct answer. Which one I send the pic along with that poem. Now I explain. A1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, gypsies are famous for their obelisk, silence, wisdom. Number C, put the tick for C, wisdom. 2, why did the gypsy draw in her chin, stretch her neck and head? Option A, to show her readiness. B, because her neck and head were like the top piece of a Nile obelisk, because she did not like the boy. So here number A, to show her readiness. Number 3, the important advice given by the gypsy was that people should know when to speak and when to keep silence. To remove the cloth with which the boy was covering his mouth. Number C, not to advise people. So here answer is number A, that people should know when to speak and when to keep silence. We should not talk everywhere. We have to maintain that one. That one only we can learn from the poem Gypsy. Number 4, the gypsy knew that people are not very happy to listen to advice. What does the gypsy tell the boy about this? Number A, since people are not happy listening to advice, always keep silence. Number B, never have an opinion of your own. And number C, even though people are not ready to listen to advice, one should be ready to speak out when needed. So here answer is, since people are not happy listening to advice, always keep silence. This is the answer number A. Okay, children. So see, if anybody is not happy to listening the advice, so better you keep silence. So these three, choose the correct answer. I send the photo along with the poem. This poem, these four questions are that. This is all are have to write for yourself. So I am not ready to give to you this work. So I skip this question answer. Next video, I will start the next lesson. I hope you can understand and you can do the work. I will send the photos about the poem and the next main meaning within 2 days. So bye children.